Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday and it is the December 30th, and I was scrolling through my Pinterest and I remembered that I wanted to bullet journal, so I started doing it, and it's actually very relaxing, but it is very time consuming. I have been sitting here in my nail station for like 2 or 3 days and randomly just doing stuff for my bullet journal. This is what I came up with for January. Well, let me just give you a little glance because I can't show it to you from here. Let me point it down and then show it to you guys. So this is my little mess that I have going on. It's not that much, but I have most of my supplies in here. So I just keep this handy in case I get a client or something. I can still manage to clean it pretty quickly. So this is kind of the inspiration of where I'm getting this. See, hers is a little bit different, as you guys can see. This is what I saw and it just sparked on me. I was very drawn to this quote that is on this side because I'm going through some stuff right now and it just made me really happy to read this. So I told myself, why not start bullet journaling if this is going to make you happy for the time being. You know, I don't know how long this is going to last, but this quote was very motivating for me. So I started doing my own. I didn't want to copy her exactly. So this is what I came up with. This one is mine. I ended up doing a very similar one to her. My calendar is a lot bigger and my light bulbs are a little bit less, and I also did like little diamond sparkles. Hers is just January with a little calendar and light bulbs. And then for this side over here I am having some trouble because this is the first time that I did it and I thought it was all right, but I have a hard time to me this doesn't match this. I don't know, I don't like seeing different shades. I don't know why. This is the first one that I did and I really liked it. But I did this with jelly pens and I did this with color pencils, and I like the color pencils better. I started with color pencils and I really like it. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this. And then I tried again and then I did this one, but I did a pen instead and I still didn't like it, and I put washi tape all around it. So as you guys can see, I've been trying my pens here, so I did not like this one either. And then I tried it again and I'm like, what if I just do black ink? And I did not like it either because I started with a light colored pen and then I tried the Sharpie, but then it bleeds through. So I don't like that because I wanted to use this other side, so I did not like that. And this is the last one that I came up with. I did washi tape, but I really like this one, but I'm not sure. I might remove the washi tape because it doesn't go with the theme. I was apparently going to actually not use this and switch it up and make it more girly with the washi tape and stuff, but I am liking this better than this. So I might use this one without the washi tape and just call it a day, even though this doesn't match this at all. It at least looks more cohesive. I don't know. Anyway, So let's just pretend this one is the one. So I am going to go buy like a little, what is it called? Binder. So I'm going to go buy a binder because as you guys can see, it already has hole punched through it. I covered it with the washi tape on this side, but see, I was gonna do it more girly. That's what I was thinking. But it doesn't go girly theme. I love this section, but I don't like this. So I might just redo this and just put this as my cover, whatever, my little quote. So the binder will pretty much open up like this. This is going to be how it opens up. So on this side over here, I'm gonna have to redo this one. On this side right here, I'm probably just going to do like a yearly month at a glance. So January, February, March, like everybody does it. So that's what I was thinking. And then you open it and you have this section right here. And then, sorry, it's not very easy when you don't have the binder. And then this is what you're gonna see, the yearly for January. And then when you open it up, I started doing a weekly spread. It starts on Monday and it ends on Sunday. And I will be writing this way pretty much to make it more cohesive. And this is where I'm at. So I'm doing week 2. This is week 1. This is week 2, and I was gonna work on week 3. So I have my papers lined up and continue on with the light bulbs and everything. So tell me in the comments if you like it or if this is just pretty dumb, but it's been relaxing me for the past weekend, and today is Monday. So yeah, I'm very excited to finish my January. And then I'm probably going to throw in a little bit more covers in there. And then I'll show you guys a little bit later once I have decided what else to add. Tell me in the comments if you guys would like to just show you once I'm done. Or if you guys would like me to do like a fast lapse of me doing it. Coloring it and doing it all from scratch. I've seen those on YouTube a lot, but I don't know how boring that might be for you guys. So let me know in the comments below. Right now I'm going to continue with week 3. And then when I'm done finally with January, I'm going to show you guys the end result. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, today is December 31st and it is already 7:47 p.m. and I'm going to make dinner. And I decided to do something different, something that I've never done before. I found this recipe on Pinterest. Let me show you guys. It looks really good, but let me show you guys a little sneak peek of how it's supposed to look. So this is how it looks. It's like a little foil bake with shrimp and potatoes and corn. It just looked really good and different, and it only has 12 ingredients as you guys can see right there. So I'm going to give it a try. I have my little foil packs here already. I'm going to do 4, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. I have the ingredients right here. I have my shrimp, my potatoes, which I still need to chop into little pieces, my smoked, what the heck is this? Sausage, and the corn. And I have garlic right here. I still need to chop the parsley and other ingredients. But this is the base of it. So I will show you guys when it's done. Oh, and I have the butter right here. So I'll show you guys when it's done to see if it's worth it or not. I'll let you guys know. So this is all done. I closed the little foil on it, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I am preheating the oven to 425, which is already ready, and then just pop it in there for 12 to 15 minutes. But I have more, so let me show you. In this section right here, I have grilled, well, not grilled, I mean chicken, raw chicken that I'm going to grill actually. It was supposed to be salmon with asparagus and potatoes, but we couldn't find any good salmon, so we're just rolling with chicken breasts, thinly sliced. And on these two, I use this one, 2-minute marinade, and it is lemon and basil. And on these two, I rolled with a 2-minute marinade, garlic and herb, and I found these at Walmart for like $3 each. Over here, I have my asparagus and my potatoes. I'm gonna sprinkle some butter, melted butter, on both of these. Sorry, I'm not in focus. Like this. I don't have any olive oil, otherwise I would put olive oil instead. And then I'm gonna do lemon pepper. And I'm gonna toss in some garlic cloves in there. And we're also having, we found this Texas toast 5 cheese. I've never tried it, so I'm hoping it's delicious. So yeah, I have oven, what am I trying to say? Oven dishes. So I have oven dishes all ready to go. So here is everything that I cooked, or I put together mostly. Here is the shrimp with potatoes. Here is the chicken, and I sprinkled some parsley and a little bit of garlic. And then this one has a lot of garlic because we love garlic. And by we, I mean hubby and me. And then the potatoes. So I'm going to pop this in the oven and watch them cook until they're ready. Because these are very thin, so I'm hoping they don't take that long. This is just going to be like 15 minutes. I'm thinking 15 minutes as well. I'm a little worried about the potatoes. I've never oven cooked potatoes, so I don't know how long they take. The shrimp also has potatoes, so I might take a little longer. I don't know. I always cook those separately because I don't know how to put them in the oven, because potatoes to me always take like an hour to cook because they are so solid. But I cut them very tiny, kind of like an inch by an inch, so I'm hoping they cook fast. This is the before, but the cook already ready. I'll show you guys the after once everything is done cooking. So everything is cooking in the oven right now. But I also have these beautiful things right here. They are Texas Toast 5 cheese. So, because the oven is already full, I'm going to pop them in the tiny oven that we have right here. And give those a little grill right there so that the cheese can melt. And that is going to be our dinner.
Ready? I don't know how many you get. Just get like 7 or something. 6.
Doesn't it say in the rules?
I don't know how to read.
No. God.
Read the rules, Mama, and tell us how many.
Wait, there's like different games?
Just a regular game. Who cares?
Put it up there.
I don't know. You can turn it off already. They're all the required number of pieces.
6. I got 6, boys. 6. I got 6.
I supposed to show? Is it like Uno where you don't show?
Nobody's supposed to see them.
Ready?
6?
I go first. So I got the 6.
You already. Oh, you're supposed to grab one from there.
No? See?
Or whatever.
I
Fine.
thought whoever has it.
Fine. Now it's me.
I don't know.
Go, Yanni.
Wait.
Just use the ones that have the most numbers, each little thingy, because you want to get the least numbers when you finish. You know?
Oh, so it's like.
Yeah.
Oh. When you're done, you want the least amount of
Yes.
numbers.
The least amount of little.
That makes sense.
Okay?
Kinda. Well, at least it makes more sense.
And you can put it like this too.
You can put them over as long as they're moving.
So you have to follow the tweet
How many people?
or that way, like that way. Put it out.
Can you put one like in between like that?
Yeah, like that. Like this.
If there's a line.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Or like this, I think it should be para que no quede. I don't know.
Put something on it so down.
Yes.
Right there. Easy game, huh?
Can this go like this?
I think so. I don't remember, but I think so. Okay. Or no, that one, since it's the two of them, it has to go like this.
Oh.
Right? Yeah. So I don't think you can fit this one.
Oh, yes.
I don't think you can. It has to go like this, see?
Looks like Uno.
And then everybody else counts and they say second, third, and fourth. Or whatever. No, yeah, I haven't done anything.
Oh, you do.
Bro!
You automatically up.
Amen. We can keep going. Us three.
Okay.
Doesn't he have to do that?
¿De partirnos a nosotros?
No. We keep going and when it's his turn, he grabs one. So these are.
I don't know. We can make the decision. I don't know.
Okay,
I
go
think
ahead.
he's done. Let's do it. Go ahead.
Can this go like this?
No. Has to go always this way. A 6, a 7, an 8.
That one goes there.
What yet?
Oh, man.
9 10.
No!
Oh.
Cannot do this.
Oh.
cheating.
Man,
Oh,
I know.
see, I think it's whoever gets done. So that's those are done and you have nothing.
I have one.
Over there.
Yeah, it is your turn. I know.
Let me check on the food.
Oh, you kidding? Not that one.
Huh?
That's the thing I use.
Okay. ¿Qué hago?
Ya, something. Ahorita lo checo, güey.
A ver, ya te pensé.
Very nice. Oh, it's your turn.
Okay. Wait, yo voy a...
Yeah,
I'm gonna put more butter porque se ve muy seco.
Oh, the chicken's so sick. We need to cut it out. See, yes, done.
I'm gonna get this dirty though.
¿Te ayudo?
Right? No, it's not too seco. But I think the asparagus might be
Done.
done, pero
Las papas.
I think they still need a little. Let me check on these. I mean, I shrimp is good. I don't know the sausage. The sausage was good.
Vamos a dejar otro ratito.
Might as well put them in there. Sí lo voy a dejar un pedacito tapado, pero quiero sacar los asparagus.
La papa. ¿Qué vas a sacar la papa? Not bad. La carne está.
What if I cover it? Si lo cover, ¿crees que se haga más rápido? ¿No?
Bam.
My turn. My turn. Is there a 1 anywhere? No. There's 0? No. Oh man. Six. Okay, yeah.
My turn, dude.
Oh, it's his turn?
Your turn.
What the hell?
Alright, bloody legends. My turn. Big boys up.
Big boy. My turn?
The other way. Like this.
What? Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, my turn.
Oh,
Because they don't got the brightest brain, so you know what to do.
Jesus.
There's a 2, a 3, a 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
We're gonna put it on Facebook.
Yeah, Yaki.
You're playing it wrong.
Hey.
Right.
Jake Long.
We play how we play it, so.
So here is the food all done. Here's the grilled chicken. And then the potatoes and asparagus with garlic. And here is the boil that we made. The shrimp looks pretty cooked actually. So we are going to eat this. And here's the garlic bread. So we are going to eat. And then we'll see you guys a little bit later. Well guys, this is the end result. We ended up really liking it, to be honest. This is another plate, and this is my son's. He never finishes his food.
He doesn't.
Well, the shrimp actually. Sometimes he's allergic to it. This is over here. We just have a few leftovers. We have 1 for 1. So yeah, it was pretty good. We're just gonna keep playing over here board games and everything as a family. And then we'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.
No, it's supposed to say we'll see you. You're not gonna film the New Year?